I want the best potato salad, and for the best potato salad, I need the best potatoes. So I'm here to get Idaho potatoes.
Excited for this?
Oh yeah, I love it.
It's a heart of Idaho right there.
This is for somebody. Somebody's gonna want this potato.
And we keep the humidity about 95%.
And you'll fill this.
We'll be full all the way above the yellow line on both sides, all the way to the door. You think you can find something in this pile of good enough quality for your potato salad?
Of good enough quality? Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely. They're gone. We gotta come. I'm gonna eat like a hand fruit.
Just keep in mind what we use for
They do look so nice.
Yeah.
Just keep digging up potatoes, is that what we're doing?
Just keep working.
You got a whole row to do.
This is how potatoes come out of the earth. I thought they grew on trees. Potato. Let it go. Let it go. Just keep going. You're running it. This is ridiculous. It was really awesome to be on farm industrial equipment, pulling thousands of potatoes out of the earth a second. It's awesome. It's really cool. This is a ton of fun.